I'm here at the exterior of the property. Here's your street. It's a main road, but it's pretty quiet. Let's go check it out. Alright. Start here in the basement. Bunch of junk in here. See, this area was finished. Like storage in here. Got like an old radiator right here. Got 2 gas lines that's hooked up to it. Bathroom. Got an old gas line where the main was right here. Storage, you got a drain right here. And then there's 2 ways to get in on this side. So go in over here. So here's your furniture here. If you see any gas lines, let's see the back. Don't see any gas lines, so this might be an electric furnace. Old boiler here. Electric hot water tank. See, it's all rusted. Got a kitchen right here. Washer dryer, 100 amp panel. And back here, just more space. All right, that's uncapped right there. Walk into the kitchen. Got damage up here. That's where your sink and stuff goes. Dining room. See a lot of patchwork and damage up here. That's your tub right there. Some damage here. There's first floor. Probably front porch. bedroom. Roof damage there. Closet. There's the bathroom. See, you got plumbing lines that was like in concrete and stuff here. Next last bedroom. A closet here. See a bunch of damage in here. See ceilings coming down here too. Check out the attic. All right, so this is a conclude walkthrough.